Hello and welcome to this week's analysis. So today it's Monday, 2nd March 2026. So let's see what's going on in the markets today. We'll start with the dollar index. Of course, the first step is to identify liquidity. Where's the liquidity? Of course, there's buy side liquidity up here. So buy side and of course sell side liquidity is resting down here. So this is the most immediate range, and you can take out the fib and map out the range. You see buy stops, sell stops down here. Price reached fair value on 2nd February 2026. Of course, it has been meandering around, drops to the lower quadrant, then begins a rise higher. Of course, buyers will be targeting this level here, sellers this level down here. So let's see what it looks like on the Euro USD. Of course, same thing with this. We have buy side liquidity up here. And of course, the sell side liquidity is resting down here. Okay, so that is that. This is the range that you're working with, here to here. Fair value hit on Monday, of course, price moving around. Bears want to see price keep dropping off for this liquidity down here. Buyers want to see price rise for this liquidity up here. So given it's already 10 a.m. New York time, let's see what was going on in the lower time frames. Okay, so this is the price action for today. Tokyo session begins at around 7 p.m. New York time. You can see price rises for these buy stops and then slumps lower. So it's a bear market for the Tokyo session. Anyone who's trading the Tokyo session, yeah, they have enjoyed themselves as bears. And then of course the London session similarly began at around 3 a.m. Same script, price rises, then falls for the sell side. So for the London, we had sell stops down here, and of course a buy side liquidity up here at the buy stops. So this is the range we were working with. Of course, you know, the London session is still on. In fact, it's now overlapping the New York session, but hey, let's see what happened. So we have a range right there. Price rises deep into London territory, London session, rises to fair value, then drops for the sell side liquidity. So really nice short trades for Tokyo session and London session. Anyone who was a bear is happy with themselves today. Okay, it's happy with themselves today. if you are, you are a scalper trading on the 1 minute charts, plenty of opportunities from fair value of that range all the way to the sell side liquidity down here. So the sellers, of course, again, they are targeting the sell side down here. And for dollar index, they'll be targeting the buy side liquidity that's resting up here. So we'll watch price, see what happens, see if there's anything that, you know, invalidates the move to this buy side. Perhaps, you know, sending prices lower. Anything can happen in these markets, especially with the what's going on around the world, the geopolitics. Yeah, so we'll update every single day, track the market, see what's happening, see which of these levels gets engaged first. But so far so good for dollar bears today. So until next time, have a good day, good trading. So until we meet again, bye.